Planning a Thanksgiving dinner can be a breeze with some simple, time-saving tips and a streamlined menu of classic dishes that everyone loves. Here's a guide to help you organize and prepare a memorable, stress-free Thanksgiving meal. 1. Time-saving tips. Plan your menu early. Decide on the dishes you want to serve and make a detailed shopping list. This helps avoid last-minute grocery runs. Prep ahead. Chop vegetables, prepare sauces, and even bake pies a day or two in advance. Pre-made pie crusts and pre-cut vegetables can save you time. Cook smart. Use appliances like slow cookers for sides like mashed potatoes or stuffing. This frees up oven space and lets dishes cook while you work on other items. Delegate dishes. If you're hosting, ask guests to bring a dish. Assigning appetizers, salads, or desserts can lighten your load. Set up early. Arrange serving platters, utensils, and dinnerware the night before. A well-organized kitchen makes the cooking process much smoother. 2. Essential dishes for a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. Roasted turkey. The star of the show. For a quick option, try spatchcocking the turkey, which flattens it out and cuts down cooking time significantly. Classic stuffing. Use pre-dried bread cubes to save time, and add in sauteed onions, celery, and herbs for flavor. Mashed potatoes. Creamy, buttery mashed potatoes are a must. Prep the potatoes ahead and keep them warm in a slow cooker. Cranberry sauce. For a quick sauce, simmer cranberries with sugar and orange juice, or grab a canned version for an easy shortcut. Green bean casserole, a holiday classic. Assemble it in advance and pop it in the oven 30 minutes before mealtime. Sweet potatoes. Try a roasted sweet potato casserole with pecan topping, or make marshmallow-topped sweet potatoes for a nostalgic twist. Dinner rolls. Warm, fluffy rolls are a perfect addition to the table. For ease, use store-bought dough or prep the dough a day in advance. Pumpkin pie, a Thanksgiving staple. Pumpkin pie can be made a day or two before the big meal. 3. Quick tips for a cozy Thanksgiving atmosphere. Set the table the night before. Add decorative touches like small pumpkins, candles, or fall leaves to bring a festive feel. Playlist and lighting. Set a warm, cozy vibe with soft music and dimmed lights. A few scented candles with autumnal scents can elevate the atmosphere. Serve drinks self-serve style. Create a beverage station with wine, cider, and water so guests can help themselves. These tips and dishes should make it easy to create a memorable and delicious Thanksgiving meal with minimal stress.
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms.Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.